I really, the reason I teach the classes I teach is because I feel like people don't have enough information. That if they had the information to make better choices, they could lead healthier lifestyles, and it wouldn't be so difficult, and it wouldn't be such a challenge, and there wouldn't be so much confusion. I think a good example is reading labels today. I mean, you read a label and it really doesn't mean anything to you. You don't know how many grams of sodium or how many grams of protein or what total carbohydrates mean or how that affects your diet or whether you should be eating them. So how do you make an informed decision if you don't know what you're reading? If you have a health challenge and you know there's maybe something you can eat that'll help, and you don't know what it is, how do you make that choice? Maybe there are good fats and bad fats, but you don't know which ones are which, and you don't know which ones to cook with, you don't know which ones to make salads with, you don't know where to get certain fats like omega-3s from your oils. If you don't know those things, how can you make a choice? And so my goal is to teach people how to make healthier choices, whether it's at home when they're cooking, at the grocery store when they're shopping, or at the restaurant when they're eating. How do they make a healthy choice on a daily basis? Nobody's perfect, but it's about making the healthier choice. And that's my passion, that's my goal, is to help people know how to make those healthier choices. And, it's not something people learn overnight. It's like any class you take at school, anything that you want to learn about, you have to have some repetition. You have to have some study materials. You have to have some guidance. You have to have some give and take. People need to ask what they don't understand. And so that's why I do a series of classes so that the most important things can be repeated. Also, people get support.